Get ready to see the truck that's built for British Columbia. This is the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT Supercrew four-wheel drive, and it's waiting for you right here at MSA Ford. Finished in a sharp Agate Black Metallic, this F-150 is powered by the proven 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine. It commands attention with the XLT Black Appearance Package featuring bold 20-inch gloss black aluminum wheels. You'll navigate with total confidence using the 360-degree camera and stay connected and in control with a massive Sync 4 12-inch screen. Book a test drive today at MSA Ford in the Fraser Valley Auto Mall right here in Abbotsford. Looking for a truck that can handle a tough work week in Abbotsford and a weekend adventure out past Mission? This F-150 is your answer. Picture this. You're heading out for an early morning fishing trip, and the zone lighting and LED side mirror spotlights illuminate everything around you, making it easy to load up in the dark. The durable spray-in Bedliner means you never have to worry about scratching the bed. On the road, safety and convenience are paramount. The blind spot information system with cross-traffic alert keeps you aware of your surroundings in busy traffic, while the lane keeping system provides an assist on long highway drives. When it's time to tow the trailer, the Pro Trailer Backup Assist, Pro Trailer Hitch Assist, and integrated trailer brake controller make the job simple and stress-free. Inside, you'll find comfortable and stylish black sport cloth seats, and you can let the fresh Fraser Valley air in with the power-sliding rear window. A common question we get is, what makes this F-150 so capable for both work and play? It all comes down to its rock-solid foundation and smart engineering. This truck is built on a fully boxed steel frame for maximum strength and durability. It's equipped with capable all-terrain tires, a Class 4 trailer hitch for serious hauling, and a massive 136-liter fuel tank, giving you the range to explore further without compromise. MSA Ford, serving the Fraser Valley for 75 years.